Welcome to our tutorial on the Yeastar IPBX dashboard. In this video, we will guide you through the main features of the Yeastar dashboard and provide you with useful tips to get the most out of your IPBX system. On this page, we notice that there are several icons and buttons. Don't worry, we will examine them in detail to help you better understand their usefulness. So let's start with the main menu. For the main menu, you will find several features that help you manage and configure your telephony system, such as extensions, trunks, the system, and also security, etc. We will discover them in the upcoming videos. In this video, we will look at the Yeastar dashboard. First, when you see it, the dashboard offers a service to manage your system, to know what is happening in your system, if there are any errors or issues, and how many calls you have had so far. First, we see that these are the active calls, or the number of calls being processed. Now, we can see them in number format like this, or we can see them in diagram format as you see here. It gives us 2 seconds every second. Then we see here the percentages of processors used, also the memory, and at the end we find the percentage of storage we have used so far. Moving on to the plan section. Here you will find the license you are currently using, whether it is an enterprise license or an ultimate license. Here, you will also find the expiration date of your license. Moving on to the interface status. Here, we find the disks, for example, the disk spaces, which we haven't used yet. Normally, this depends on your server. For us, it's 5. We have already used 1 and the 4 are currently free. We will see the registered extensions available in our system. And here, it gives you the number of extensions that are active and those that are inactive. If you click on this button, for example, it will take you to the interface where extension management is located. For example, when you click on this button, it will take you to the interface where the extension management is located. Here, we find the SIP trunks that are currently available and ready for use, ensuring seamless connectivity. After that, we find the number of people connected to our service, whether they are from the web, the office, or mobile. We move to our last section, where there is the scheduled backup. Here, you can schedule your backup. It's called backup, and you can schedule it daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. After that, we see the blocked IPs, which you can unblock if you want. Here, we find how many emergency numbers we have already configured in our system. Here, in this particular section, we accurately and precisely determine the exact percentage used for recording. At the bottom of the page, you will find event trends, diagrams that display 3 different pieces of information. For example, blue for warnings, yellow, and finally alerts. So, let's take this event as an example. Oh yes, I forgot to mention that you can configure that by specifying whether you want to see the last 7 days, the last 15 days, or the last 30 days. After that, we will take, for example, that day, where we will show all the alerts we received on that day. For example, we can see here that we have an alert, and here is its name, and here is its description. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching the videos. We will see what extensions are, how to configure them, and how to group them as well. We will configure a crack to test calls outside of service and service entry. Thank you very much indeed, and goodbye. The largest in VoIP, with dozens of brands, with us, you will find what fits your budget and your needs. And most importantly, everything comes with a warranty on the equipment and installation.